7:30 in the morning. My apologies, Percy, but I need to tell you something. What's up? Dominic Danza has got us our first ELA project! Yay!
Wait, sir, I thought Dominic doesn't go to school anymore, let alone trains.
He doesn't. He is doing it for the other students who are still in school. So that's why he's doing this video so other students can learn too.
But schools are closed because of the pandemic.
I know, but other students still need to do schoolwork at home.
All right. So, sir, what ELA project are we going to do today?
Well, today, this project is going to be based off William Shakespeare's The Tragedy of Julius Caesar. Ooh!
Julius Caesar? Who is she?
James? Caesar is not a girl, you dumb moron!
Oh, I didn't know that. Sorry.
Hey, sir, how are we gonna do the whole project of the story? Glad you asked, Thomas. Although we are not acting out the whole story, we're just gonna act out the most important scene from the story. Which scene is it? The scene where they assassinate him. And Julius Caesar will be played by... Percy! Yay!
What? How come he gets to be Caesar? Why not me?
Because you get to play Cassius.
Really? Who is she?
James? There's no girls in this play!
That is inequality, Sir Topham Hat.
Except for the wives.
Ooh, I was wrong.
And what about us, sir? Henry, you are gonna be Cinna, Edward will be Mark Antony, Gordon will be Casca, and Thomas will be Brutus, Caesar's best friend. Woo! We get to be best buddies in the play, Thomas! I know! High five! Alright, folks, the students are counting on all of us, so let's get to work!
Caesar, you can't go to the capital. They're waiting for you there.
Yes, I know, but if I don't show up, I'll look like a fool.
That doesn't matter, Julius. You can't go. They're dangerous.
Calm down, Calpurnia. They're my friends. It's not like they're gonna kill me once I get there.
We're gonna kill him once he gets here.
With daggers. Guys, you can't be serious. Well, you're gonna kill Caesar too, Brutus. Wait, what? Why do I have to kill Caesar? He's my best friend.
Because, dude, if we don't, he'll become king of Rome. And if that happens, he will become a dictator. And he's gonna make all of us as servants, including you. And we'll be all in chains for the rest of our lives. Do you want that?
No.
Then...
do as I say. Pay attention to no one else.
Hey, Cassius, why is Caesar next in line to be king anyway?
I have no idea, Casca.
Maybe his other friends love him.
Shut up, Cinna!
Sorry. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I am so excited. I can't believe I'm gonna be king of Rome. And I wonder what those dudes want from me. Maybe something awesome. Guys, he's coming.
Get ready, everybody.
We know the drill. Hey, what's up, dudes? Hi, Caesar. You guys feeling okay? You look really nervous. And why do you guys have daggers?
For, cutting to food. You know, to make some good food. Yummy, yummy.
Hey, dude, can you come here for a minute? I want to ask you something. Okay, what is it? Can you come closer? Closer, closer, closer.
Now!
Ow! What was that for?
You can't be dictator of Rome. And death! Get him!
No! Stay away! You too, Brutus? That was amazing! You guys are better than I thought. Very proud of you all.
Thanks, dude.
It was so much fun. Can't wait to do it again. But I sure do hope the audience knows that Percy's not really dead, and that the blood is just ketchup, and the daggers are just made of plastic. You can wake up, Percy. The project's over. Percy? Percy? Can you hear me? Hello? You're not really dead, are you?
Oh no! What a jerk am I? I didn't go crazy on him, did I?
Ha! Ah! I gotcha! Holy smokes! Oh, you guys should have seen your faces! Percy, you son of a mask! Good one!
Well done, man. Well done.
Now that's what I call talent. That's right. Now remember, fellow students, the episode that you saw is a project for all students to learn in this most important scene of this ELA project. So pay close attention to the whole story once you get back to school very soon, and best of luck for your upcoming exams.
Thanks, guys. I can't wait to get my diploma.
James!
Sorry.